Tom, thanks very much. Tom Adams, you I believe are the convener of the Kingdom Bank now?
Kingdom Community Bank.
Kingdom Community Bank, which serves Fife in Scotland.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how many members do you have?
We have, it's about 12,500.
That's impressive. You must be one of the biggest credit unions in Scotland, are you?
We are. I don't think there's very many bigger than us, so, but we're quite big for a credit union.
Yeah.
In Scotland we are.
And what do you think? Do you think most of your members would want payment choice? They'd want to be able to use cash?
I think the vast majority of them would love to use cash. When you look at the clientele that we have, as you probably know, they're not exactly loaded, rich or anything like that, and they need cash when they want it. And although we deal with the benefits agencies and stuff like that, they do need cash. And it's no good because a lot of them can't get credit cards.
Yeah.
We don't have a credit card as a credit union.
No.
We don't have a credit card.
Yeah.
So they need cash. Although they could, some of them do use bank transfers and stuff like that. Benefits come in and back. They come in to the office on a Monday morning, Tuesday morning, expecting the benefits and cash.
Yeah.
There's no other way.
So
they rely on it.
They rely, and that's
the clientele that we are actually hitting really hard if we do away with cash. If we go to a cashless society, which we spoke about at our board meeting just last week, because two banks are closing on leaving High Street, the question was asked, do you think we'll get any of their customers coming to us because they want to use cash as opposed to going cashless, because that's the way they're driving us.
Oh, absolutely.
To this cashless society.
They're closing all their bank branches, all their ATMs going, so basically they're driving people away, aren't they?
I mean, what the answer we got from the CEO was basically we won't get much because most people that are using the high street banks at the moment are business bankers, and we don't have business accounts. We're mainly for single people.
Yeah. But I know in England, nationwide, and maybe they've had some success in Scotland as well, they picked up a lot of business with bank branches closing, and nationwide they're mutual as you're a mutual. So you may pick up more business than you think.
Well, I was hoping for, the more we pick up, the better it is. Because obviously it keeps your account healthy and stuff like that. There is downsides to it. Last year, although we're quite a healthy community bank, our liquidity run out at Christmas, which is the main sort of time when everybody wants a loan.
Yeah, of
and
course.
they're wanting to take cash away from you. We're running out of the cash because some of the assets we put them into 3 month, 6 month, a year investments.
Yeah.
And we need that liquidity, but in order to break that, it's going to cost us money. So we're at the point we refused loans, I think, for 2 weeks.
Right.
Just so we could keep the liquidity going.
Right.
Because just right after Christmas, then the money starts to come back in.
Yeah.
So, but we've fixed that this year by going for 20% liquidity. We must have that.
Oh, that's good.
So we've covered it.
You've got good reserves, really. So you must think that credit unions are going to get much stronger in this country now.
I believe they will do, but I think there'll be less of them. I think there'll be more and more amalgamations.
Yeah.
And the credit unions will be, the smaller ones will disappear.
But you'll still be providing local services.
We'll still be providing local services.
Yeah.
We actually opened up another branch in Dunfermline just about 4 months ago. So we have a branch in Glenrothes, we have a branch in Methil, and we just opened another one up in Dunfermline. And if our amalgamation with North East Fife goes ahead, we'll look at opening up probably a branch in Cooper as well.
Right.
So we're expanding rather than contracting.
Well, this is ironic because the way the banks are going, they're not going to have branches in towns with less than 35,000 people. So you may have more branches in different places than the banks have.
I mean, they won't be open 5 days a week or that. 40-hour week. It'll be 2 or 3 days a week or stuff like that. But we do have but the branches at the moment, the 3 that are open 5 days a week.
Right.
The Dunfermline one is open in a hub centre.
Yeah.
Glenrothes is in a standalone in the mall, if you like, and the Methil one just in a building on its own.
Right.
But it's only open half a day. The Methil one opens in the morning and closes in the afternoon. It's open till 1 o'clock. So,
Well, listen,
but it works.
that's it. It works. Like cash, it works. You know, credit unions have been around for a very long time in Britain, so you know they deserve to work because the people need them, don't they?
Definitely need them.
Tom, well done on your expansion. And you were saying your ambition is that one day there'll be...
One day we'll be the credit union in Fife.
For the whole of
the
Fife?
number one and the only one.
Yeah.
No, as I say, not to be disrespectful to other credit unions, just it's the way it's going.
Yeah.
You need a right diverse board, if you like, and I think you need a really good CEO that knows their way around banking.
Yeah. And you're saying you've got a very good CEO.
We've got a really good CEO.
I think the important thing as well is you're talking about if you do amalgamate, there'll be more branches out there, so the local people won't notice a deterioration in services. It will still be the same service or even a better service. Well, listen, it's great to hear about the success of your credit union, now called a bank, and long may it continue, because the original high street banks are no longer in the high streets and you're still out there serving the public. Tom, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.